Hey, what's up guys, SPMG here. Last Wednesday, Asus launched its ROG Phone 3 under its sub-brand with a massive spec sheets of Qualcomm 865 Plus processor, 16 GB of RAM, 412 GB of ROM, 144 Hz of AMOLED display, 6000 mAh battery, 2 USB-C port, and no earphone jack. Rest in peace. It seems Asus has been testing its sixth refresh mode, which is 160 Hz. While researching, I found a debug command which helps you to unlock 160 Hz on your ROG Phone 3. For all this, you just need to set up Android Debug Bridge, which in normal words called ADB, on your PC. After setting up, run the command which will be linked in description, and you can see it's flashing here also. After running the command, reboot your phone. Well, I'll walk you through the practical steps at the end of the video. After your phone boots back, you will be able to use 160 Hz on your ROG Phone 3. Go to Settings, Display. Under the Refresh Rate tab, you will be able to use 160 Hz.
Hey guys, now I'll walk you through the steps, and let me mention you that I don't have a ROG Phone 3, but I'll show you the basic steps, and if you have another phone, please don't try to apply this code. This may damage your core materials, or it may act abnormally, or and this, if you have a Asus Rog, it may apply, but it may. So now I will walk you through the command. So in the description I'll be giving you the link of this platform tools. Extract it and open the extracted folder. Just you need to double tap this ADB folder. Now while pressing the shift and click the mouse right button, and now press open PowerShell window here. After opening this, next is unlock the developer option in your settings as showing right side or left side or upside, I don't know. After enabling the developer option, go to developer options. Now enable the USB debugging and press OK. And after that, you need to connect your phone with your laptop. And now press on file transfer or transfer file. After this it will allow, like this will ask you to allow the debugging. Just allow it, and on the window press ADPD. Okay, DEVICES devices. This will recognize a device after entering. Okay, after this press ADP shell and enter. And this is RMX 1851, which is Realme 3 Pro. I don't know what serial number will come for Asus ROG Phone 3. After this, type the code, which is this. As you can see, ADB shell setprop.vendor.asus.fps.eng1 means it will enable the 160 Hz. And here there is another code. If you want to go back to the 144 Hz, or you want to disable the 160 Hz, then click on ADB, then put this code ADB shell setprop.vendor.asus.fps.eng 00 means off, 1 means on, as it's a binary code. Okay, if you want to enable this, copy this, and make sure if you copy it won't work in Control V. So you need to right click and it will it will paste. After this, press enter, but make sure you are doing on a Asus ROG Phone 3 only. If you do it on another Asus phones, it will act abnormally. After pressing it, reboot your phone, and yeah, you will get that 160 Hz frame. And if you want to test that 160 Hz frame, I'll link a website URL in my description. Go to that, it will show. Okay, so it's look something like this, as you can see on my right side. Like I have a Realme 3 Pro, and if you want you can, it look like something like this, and you can see how many hours refresh rate and all you can see. And yeah, that's much.
That's it for this video, guys. Tell me your opinion in the comment section. And if you want to go back to the 144 Hz and you want to disable that 160 Hz, there will be another code in the description. Go and do the same procedure as I walked you through. And peace.